Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Warplanes Explained, where we dive into the fascinating world of military aviation. Today we're going to explore one of the most iconic fighter planes of World War II, the Messerscmit BF109. This German warbird was a dominant force in the skies, and its design influenced generations of fighter planes to come. So, let's take a closer look at this legendary aircraft. The Messerschmitt BF109 was designed in the early 1930s by Willy Messerschmitt, a renowned German aircraft designer. The plane was originally intended for the Spanish Civil War, but it quickly became a mainstay of the German Luftwaffe. The BF109 was a single-seat, single-engine fighter with a sleek and aerodynamic design that made it incredibly fast and agile. The BF109 was powered by a Daimler-Benz DB601 engine, which produced over 1,000 horsepower and gave the plane a top speed of over 380 miles per hour. The plane's propeller was a three-bladed VDM propeller, which provided excellent thrust and maneuverability. The wing design was an inverted gull wing, which provided excellent visibility for the pilots and improved maneuverability. The BF-109 was armed with two MG-17 machine guns and one Mk-108 cannon, which provided excellent firepower and accuracy, housed in the nose of the plane. The plane's armament was designed to be flexible and adaptable, with multiple configurations available depending on the mission requirements. The BF-109 was produced in many different variants, each with its own unique characteristics and capabilities. Some of the most notable variants include the BF-109E, which was used in the Battle of Britain, and the BF-109K, which was used in the final stages of the war. The BF-109E was one of the most successful variants of the plane, with over 1,000 produced. It was powered by a Daimler-Benz DB601 engine and had a top speed of over 350 miles per hour. The plane was used extensively in the Battle of Britain, where it clashed with the Supermarine Spitfire and the Hawker Hurricane. The BF-109K was one of the final variants of the plane, with over 1,500 produced. It was powered by a Daimler-Benz DB605 engine and had a top speed of over 400 miles per hour. The plane was used extensively in the final stages of the war, where it clashed with the Allied air forces over Berlin. The BF-109 saw extensive service in World War II, playing a key role in many major battles and campaigns. It was used in a variety of roles, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. The plane's speed, agility, and firepower made it a formidable opponent, and it earned a reputation as one of the best fighter planes of the war. One of the most notable battles in which the BF-109 was used was the Battle of Britain. The plane was used extensively by the German Luftwaffe, where it clashed with Supermarine Spitfires and Hurricanes. Despite being outnumbered, the BF-109 proved to be a formidable opponent, and it played a key role in the battle, escorting many Heinkel HE-111s to drop bombs on London and other British cities. The BF-109 also saw extensive service on the Eastern Front, where it clashed with Soviet air forces. The plane's speed, agility, and firepower made it a formidable opponent, and it earned a reputation over Russia. Some of the most notable aces of the war flew the BF-109, including Adolf Galland and Erich Hartmann. These pilots scored hundreds of victories between them, and their exploits helped to cement the BF-109's reputation as a legendary fighter plane. In addition to its use by the German Luftwaffe, the BF-109 was also used by the Allies. Many captured BF-109s were repaired and flown by Allied pilots who used them for a variety of purposes, including testing, training, and combat. The Royal Air Force was one of the primary users of captured BF-109s. The RAF used the planes for testing and training, and also flew them in combat against the German Luftwaffe. The United States Army Air Forces also used captured BF-109s, primarily for testing and training purposes. The USAF was interested in learning more about the plane's capabilities and weaknesses, and used the captured BF-109s to gain valuable intelligence. The BF-109's design influenced many later fighter planes, including the F-86 Sabre and the MiG-15. Its legacy can still be seen in modern fighter planes, and it remains one of the most iconic and beloved aircraft of all time. Today, many BF109s are preserved in museums and exhibitions around the world. These planes are a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the German aircraft industry and serve as a reminder of the important role that the BF109 played in the history of military aviation. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the history of the Messerscmit BF109. This incredible plane played a pivotal role in shaping the course of World War II, and its design legacy continues to inspire new generations of pilots and aircraft designers. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Warplanes Explained videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.